I think it's a brilliant idea to start a YouTube channel, especially when you're over 40. This niche is not saturated yet. There are so many creators over 20, teens posting videos, not that many people over 40 posting videos on YouTube. Hi, my name is Anna Sabino. I'm a business coach and I teach how to grow audiences. And I decided to start a brand new channel and document it all. So right now I'm at 8 subscribers. And this is my first video, but the reason why I have 8 subscribers is because I post some of my videos as unlisted in courses that I offer to my members, and some of the members decided to subscribe. So I'm starting with 8. I actually had a channel before with over 150 videos, 1,800 subscribers, and I decided to delete it and turn a page and just start fresh. So why? Double paycheck. YouTube gives us a double paycheck opportunity. If you have a course, if you have products, maybe a membership, or maybe you're selling somebody else's products and getting affiliate commission. So that is already one paycheck. That is already multiple income streams actually. But on top of it, once you get monetized, your paycheck doubles. YouTube pays you to build your audience. This is like unheard of. This is so good. YouTube gives us freedom to treat it the way we want to. Whether you want to make it a side hustle or maybe you want to make it your career, you could do it. You can spend as much time as you want on YouTube and fit YouTube in your lifestyle. There are creators who share that they're making a few $100s a month. And maybe that doesn't sound that much, but you know what? That's your groceries. You can start there and this can always evolve. And that evolution is going to be so fulfilling and satisfying to watch. And if you want to make it your full-time career, you could do it and you could do it at your own pace. YouTube also gives us time and location freedom. You can film the videos, post them from wherever you want, and nobody will tell you to make videos exactly from 9 a.m. to 5 because they say so. You can create them whenever you want. You can post them whenever you want. YouTube is a great creative outlet. There is something about learning how to edit and evolving with it. Your style will evolve and you will see what you like. You will see what you want to incorporate in your videos. Finishing a project, full project that you created and posting it. And once you put this entire ready video out there, there's going to be so much satisfaction. You're gonna love it. And you're gonna be building this body of work of one video after the next. And these videos are evergreen. YouTube content is evergreen. So people can find your video even a few years after you created it. They can hear your message, see your video. It gives us courage. If you are interviewing or if you want to speak on stages, YouTube is a great stepping stone to secure more interviews, to put yourself out there more, build your personal brand. Yes, by being on YouTube, we are putting ourselves out there and building our personal brand. When we have a product, when we have a launch, we're gonna have an audience ready to buy. We're not gonna get crickets. We're not gonna be worried about people finding us. You've already built an audience who's ready to buy what you have to sell because you've been creating this like and trust. If you're a coach and if you are selling packages, maybe having intake sessions, your potential clients are probably searching for you. They are finding you on social media, checking you out, and they're going to be watching your YouTube videos to decide whether they want to work with you. So that's like your pre-work. And if you're offering intake sessions, intro sessions, maybe you won't even have to do that because after watching a few videos, they will already know that they want to hire you. The visibility that YouTube gives us is incredible, especially because it's an SEO-friendly search engine. Actually, press is looking to feature creators, to interview them, and they do that on social media. They do that on YouTube. They're finding our videos and they are contacting us. Press needs content as well. Also brands. Brands are always looking for creators to advertise their products, because they understand how powerful it is when we feature their products in our videos, in our content. That's like an incredible exposure for them to a targeted audience. Audience over 40 is very much in demand by brands, and especially because there are not that many creators with audience over 40. The leverage that YouTube gives us is just incredible. If you decide to write a book, if you decide to release a product, you're already gonna have an audience ready to buy. You're not gonna have launches with crickets. You don't have to worry about nobody buying if you have a large audience. You are going to have buyers because your audience who's been watching you, watching your videos and getting so much value from you will want to support you. Many reasons, right? And yet you may be still feeling the resistance. And I know because that's what I felt. Okay, this is my first video, but you know what I felt before that? I was coming up with all kinds of excuses. So it's December 1st right now. And I said to myself, I want to start on the 1st of the month. But then I was like, maybe I'm going to start on January 1st. It's just going to be easier to count how much time I'm on YouTube. I'm like, no. These are just excuses. Because the dangerous part is we don't have to start a YouTube channel. There's no deadline. So we have to impose this deadline upon us. Like it's like a self-created deadline. Well, another thing that I was saying to myself, my camera. Oh, it's an old camera. Should I be filming with that camera? Is it good enough? Maybe I should buy this Osmo 3. No, this is good enough. This is a great camera right there, right? Oh, all these excuses. And then it was a cloudy day, and it's better if it's sunny because I get more light. So there was another excuse. And then I said to myself, okay, no more. I'm going to film it, and I'm going to start my YouTube channel from scratch. I'm going to erase what I created before and just do it. If you are curious about my previous channel of why I decided to start from scratch, because I could have revived the old one, I decided against it. Why I decided to delete over 150 videos. Watch this video next.